Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Fred. Today I'm gonna share some of the tip of turbocharger replacement 35 EcoBoost. Separate the exhaust pipe from the right-hand catalytic converter and then remove both side turbocharger connecting from the turbocharger 4 nuts. Push backward, left, right whole catalytic converter assembly. You can pry it out backwards using pry bar. Drain coolant, remove starter motor and oil supply tube assembly, and disconnect the oil return line and then both the coolant line and remove whole turbocharger assembly. Workshop says remove right hand catalytic converter H compressor, but I don't need that. Without remover, I can access the turbocharger oil filter right here. Once the remover turbocharger usually replaced all the time, and our oil filter right here. And then I replace the oil filter and then also transfer heat shield, oil cooler line, also inside the O-ring and outside the oil sealing gasket. I install the transfer oil cooler tube and then get into the turbocharger this way. Once the remover, I attached this 7-inch long temporary bolt, and then there are still almost getting to the whole coolant tube. Block side, top side, cylinder head, also oil return line almost attached. And then now I all attach the cooler line and then oil return line. You guys pushed in turbocharger right here, almost 1 inch close. And then now access the original bolt, tighten the other side, right, left, and the other side bolt. And then now almost closely, correctly, heady and block side coolant line. Now all coolant line and oil line correctly into the block and then head and then turbocharger. You guys see that, and then also look at that. At the bottom is oil return line get into the turbo. All of the corrected cooler line, turbo line is corrected in. Now and then remove temporary bolt. 7-inch this one, same thread as the original bolt, and then you install the new turbo bolt and then mount and tighten the 38 foot-pound, and then now also other cooler and oil return line 89, and then now install the last step is the oil supply tube. The left-handed side beside and the right-handed side the bottom side you can access, and I replace the whole turbocharger and then all of the return line, the gasket and sealing and O-ring. Now it's running good.